Problem number 8 is complete. All water's out the floor, dried up. We got it all up, got the hallway all cleaned back up before it got into the floors, all dry. In the kitchen and everything. I had the guys come down and get all this water out of here. Had to pull the toilet. I don't know, the flapper was stuck in there. All the water's out of here. I replaced the toilet now. The flapper was stuck in and got it fixed. Got the toilet cleaned out and fixed. And here's the results. There's no water running. Here's the flush results. Problem number 8. And there you have it. Everything's back in order. Like I said, it's cleaned up. All the water's dried up. Better get ready to clock out. Go home this Saturday and relax. We'll talk to you later.